Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create bold text. Someone asked me how to make text bold if the text doesn't have a bold style. So I've got the simple text right here created with the type tool. You can press T for that and it should be active. And you will see under text and font, some fonts have a bold style, for example this one. But there are also, for example Centaur, it doesn't have a bold style, it's only regular. Let me apply it, and if it's too thin for you and you want to make it a little bit thicker, so give it this fake bold style, you can just hold shift and click on a color swatch. You want to make it the same color as your fill, and this is, in my case, it's just black. But let me zoom in and I'll make that red, so I'll hold shift and click on red color swatch, and you can see this is what's added. So it's a simple stroke that outlines the fill. If I make that the same color as my fill, it gives the appearance of a bold text. You can also go to fill and stroke and object, and then increase the stroke width to make it even thicker. But beware, number one is it takes a little bit of the style of the font or the character of the font away. And the second problem is that it might create overlaps, for example here with the T and E letter. You can select it all, go to extensions, text, and then split the text. It's one way to deal with it, and then you can rearrange the letters. See that right here, now I've got the 4 letters split up. But it's actually easier, let me press Ctrl Z. Just select it, go to path, object to path and stroke to path, and then just ungroup it. You can press Shift Ctrl G or go to object and ungroup. And now you can rearrange these letters, hold Ctrl when you do, so that they snap to the horizontal line. Be aware that it might create a little bit of a fragment right here, for example in the E letter. To get around that, we'll use the Bezier tool, enable the snapping and snap to paths. Should be active, and then just draw over it like this and give this the same fill color as your letter, so in this case it's just black. And it solves the issue with these fragments. And afterwards just select it, press Ctrl G to group it, and then group the entire text. But this is how you can give your text a, let's say, a fake bold style, and it makes it more legible. And this is how you can create a bold text in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.